Hello, Teresa. This is our Zhongshan Operation Center. We also have the pole factories in Jiangmen. So these buildings have 12 floors. So you can see the high-class lighting group is our complex. This is our boss car. We also the strategic partners with Austria and Korea. Austria and Korea are very famous LED manufacturers. We have 12, all the buildings belongs to us. It have 12 floors. So warehouse, logistics centers, and materials management centers, and AI center, and office and meeting room. This is our operation center. So I want you to have a look of our office and production lines and solar panel production lines and batteries and our laboratories. So let's go ahead. This is our office. So it is our certificate such as ISO 9000 and the CE and the UL test and the ROSE and other certifications. This is our domestic market. And this is our boss office. Very, very beautiful. And this is our overseas market. So now we go and sample rooms. Lots of wash lines. So you also can see lots of solar garden lights. I also want to show our laboratories to you. These are laboratories, so you can see lots of machines to test the products. They can make sure the quality. So this is a high and low temperature test machine. It is an IP test machine to test the IP65 and IP66. So the waterproof machine, this one. And this one is a machine to test the lighting intensity. So lots of the clients may need lighting intensity reports. And this is a batteries machine. So we test the battery machines. This is another machine. So this machine is also to test the lighting intensities. This machine is about this machine is very, very expensive. And this machine is test the wattage. This is a 19 surgery machine. And this machine is a salt frog test box. That's all for our laboratories machine. That's all for our machine. This is our boss office. A very big office. So we get lots of the certificate. So it is owner certificate. It is issued by the government. It means we are a big scale company. It is another certificate, Guangdong Province Enterprise of the Observance Contract and Welding Credit. And this is our boss. This card means we are representatives. Government recommend companies. So the government may recommend lots of the clients to visit companies to see the soul names. The clients from the 28 countries to visit our companies last year. Clients from the Canada, Vietnamese, and Philippines, and France, and Africa to visit companies. So they choose our soul names with the AI systems. They are all say very, very amazing. This is our batteries area, so you can see the batteries will be classified by the machine. So you can see this is a batteries area. So you can go ahead. So we use the machine to classify all the batteries. Now next step, we use a machine to test the voltages and the input resistance. To test the voltages and the input resistance, so now we do the test for the batteries. It is the solar panels area. We use the automatic machine to cut the solar panel in small pieces. Solar panel in small pieces. This is our solar panel production line. So we use the aluminum frame to fix the solar panels. Also pack the solar panels in the box. Now we cut the extra part. This is our PV model lamination. This is the PV model lamination machine. This is our PV model lamination. Now we do the ear test for the solar panels. We do the ear test for the solar panels. You can see the spare part of the solar panels. Glass and solar panels and the PV paper. Now we use the automatic machine to writing all together. This is one of our workshops. So I want to you have a look of our production lines. So this is our production lines. And now it is 5 and 15 feet across. So lots of the records already go to have dealers. So you can see this is the production line of the LED street lamp, LED floodlights. Now is the solar street lamps production line. So you can see the solar street lamps. We do the test for the same names, such as the discharging and the charging test for the solar names. And here you can see this is a solar guard light. So you can see the solar guard light. This is one of the raw material warehouse. So lots of the spare parts and the name bodies and the solar panels and the bracket and the wire. So here is the name bodies. We also have the strict quality inspections. So if the quality is not okay, it's bad. So we will return to our suppliers. So this is a return area. So you also can see the lots of the spare part.